As with any project, I do typically use our ConDoc extension. So I would open the ConDoc system and I don't know, I suppose I would just load up our ConDoc Pro Architect. That's kind of the default drawing set to use, like that. And if I click design, then we can easily get all of our layers set up in here. And, so we're back to kind of working within our standards. All right, so that means that this particular location snapshot, I need to unlock it and then assign it to the layer element earth. So it's the nice thing about ConDoc is that we have a place for everything. And if you just put everything in its place, it makes life a little bit easier, a lot easier. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our ConDoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.